Baka hindi rinig yan. Hindi rinig yan.
Guys, all for all.
Uy, yes yung bag ko!
5 minutes for the opening. All of us say 2 minutes. Wait, the full shoot na. Ako yun. Debating for the opening.
Christian Morales!
5 minutes for, let's just say 3 minutes na lang yung maximum na. Okay, so let's start now. If you want to clap, appreciate, all you have to do is clap, okay? Now, let's hear it through the positive side. As the introduction. 3 minutes starts now.
Ito lang ang akin. Bakit pinapalo ang bata? Why do we start our kids? Ang akin na tanong kasi, ganito yan. Si English, please, isa lang. Only one word can make it all happen. Discipline. Yes. If you don't have the discipline, and you don't have the people to discipline yourself, what the heck?
You will be like John.
Kasi ganito yun. Kailangan na disiplina. Kasi, yung mga bata, lumalaki ngayon na gago. Sorry for my...
Lumalaking baboy. Ay.
Okay, so, sangayon ako sa pinapalo. So, hindi naman yung palo talaga yung bugbog. Huwag na yung ganun.
Huwag mo paglaruan.
Parang lang, sinturon. Katamtamon lang. Yung sa kanila, hindi daw payo. Bakit naman hindi sila payo? Gusto nyo lumaki yung bata.
Hindi, kapag nagbi-video daw,
Yun, 10 seconds na lang.
hindi mo na pwede i-zoom sa ano.
Pinakapaglalaban.
Bakit kaya? Tapon na natin to, walang kwenta.
Akin na,
Akin na lang to.